Experience the best of both worlds. Steamed and fried dumplings with a very spicy and delicious noodle soup using Good Life Vermicelli noodles. Let's start cooking. Let's make this spicy wonton noodle soup. So, meron tayong Good Life, sotanghon, or vermicelli noodles. So, we will use it twice. So, one in the filling and the other one sa ating sabaw. For the filling, ito, I will just blanch it for just a minute to cook. Pero meron ako dito that has been cooling down. At gagawin ko, gugupit-gupitin ko ang aking noodles. And meron din ako ditong wood ear mushrooms or tinatawag na tenga ng daga. And we will just julienne. No? So, ang texture nito, parang shark's fin siomai. And I have here my meats. I have ground pork and shrimp. Salt, pepper, a little bit of sugar. I'm using white sugar. And I will also add my other ingredients. So, meron akong diced na carrots, ginger, chopped spring onions, oyster sauce, pang linamnam, 1 egg white, cornstarch, and Good Life Sesame Oil. Ito, very important for that very nice aroma. And I will also combine yung nasa isang bowl ko, yung aking sotanghon, Good Life Vermicelli noodles, ang aking wood ear mushrooms. Mix, mix, mix hanggang lumagkit siya, no? We want this mixture to really come together. So, yan ang ating mixture. Very sticky na siya, oh. And meron tayong siomai or wonton or molo wrapper. 1 piece at a time. Filling, konti lang. Wet the edges of our wrapper. Ay gagawin natin parang triangle, no? Fold lang, parang turn over, no? Press the edges, ganyan, no? And kulot-kulutin natin. Very rustic na, it doesn't have to be perfect. Basta ang key mo, marap siya and nakasil yung mga edges. It's time to prepare our broth. And ito medyo inspired by the tantan men. But not quite, no? Medyo ginawan lang natin ng diskarte. So, just a bit of oil. And meron tayong giniling. The ground pork seasoned with a little bit of salt. Garlic, ginger. To make it spicy, we are adding chili flakes. So, damihan. So, it depends on you kung gusto mo ng very spicy or mildly spicy. Annatto oil, no? Gisa-gisa, nice color. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, pang linamnam, sugar. And I will add, eto, pang pathiken natin, peanut butter. Bango, no? And ito siya, special ingredient, clove spice. So, ito siya, optional. Kung wala kang clove, don't add. Pero ako, gusto ko lang siya para mabango. Very nice, very aromatic. Now, I will add my chicken stock. Cover that and let that simmer. Siguro mga 5 minutes before we add our dumplings. At ready na yung ating broth ngayon, ang ating dumplings. And we will fry some of them. So, ito, fry, fry, fry. Yan. Hot oil. So, masarap siya dahil, no, you can have it in different ways. Fried, steamed, or just poached in our soup. Yan. Move it around para pantay yung luto. Beautiful, no? Nakikita nyo? Ta-ta-tan! It's done. Beautiful, no? So, excess oil, dapat matanggal, no? Para hindi greasy yung ating dumplings. And our noodles break apart para may space siya to expand, no? Yan. And we will fry our noodles, no? Hot, but not too hot kasi masyado mainit, masusunog. Pag kulang sa init, hindi siya mag-chicharon like this. Yan. Then ating noodles na yan. Soup bowl. Excess oil, drip off. Put aside. And ngayon naman, magpo-poach na tayo ng ating other set of dumplings. Ito, boiling, steaming. Lalagay natin yung ating dumplings. Malalaman mo naman siya pag luto na siya. Pag medyo lumulutang na siya ng konti. Sarap ng ating broth. Diba? Huwag mo madali, no? For all the flavors to come together. Lagyan natin ng, ito, blanched noodles. Ating sotanghon. Ngayon, lalagyan natin ng ating broth with our giniling. You can add more giniling if you want, ha? Yan. Then, ating dumplings dito. Yung mga ilang piraso. On one side, arrange beautifully. Lalagyan natin siya ng fried noodles. Yan. Titikman ko muna. Sarap siya eh. So, sweet chili sauce. Ang sarap niya. Ang sarap ng texture ng ating noodles sa loob. At ang crispy natin, lalagyan natin sa taas para hindi siya mabasa. And to finish, eto, sesame oil. Very nice nuttiness. And we are done. Eto, titikman na natin the broth. Ang sarap niya. Want it spicier? You can add chili oil pa. Woo! Very silky ng ating noodles. Steamed dumplings. It's like a party. Surprise your family with this Asian noodle dish with a crispy twist. Spicy wonton noodles. Simpol! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simpol!